In this video, we are going to see how we can upload a channel trailer for all the new subscribers that have recently joined in. So if you have already uploaded it, we are going to see how we can change that, remove that, add that from the YouTube Studio. So what you have to do is just click on the profile icon of yours and head over to the YouTube Studio. From here, we click on the customization from the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, we click on the Home tab. Here you can see the channel trailer. Basically, it is a sample video for those who haven't subscribed to your channel. So if you want to change that video, remove that video, you can do both. So let's say I have removed that video. What this will do is this will completely remove that section. So if you want to add it back whenever you want, you click on the add section and you click on the channel trailer, and it should show you this screen where you can select a new channel trailer for your video and click on publish. And that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.